Coffee or tea during your study sessions?
Definitely coffee.
First thing you did after passing the exam?
Naglamierda.
And what was your favorite study snack?
Ay, boy bawang pala, boy bawang, sorry.
Boy,
Boy bawang.
bawang.
Kasi dito malalaki yung boy bawang nila eh. Parang, ano eh, parang bag.
So, in a
Uh,
way, naging comfort food mo siya while
okay,
studying.
yung comfort. Kasi, ano eh, parang gusto ko lang may ginagawa. Yung kamay ko.
Nice to know, sir.
Uh,
And what's your, ano po, one word to describe your NCLEX preparation journey?
mahirap na masaya. Mahirap na masaya. Mahirap kasi maraming mga struggles. Masaya kasi may mga friends akong na-meet na bago. Parang community na talaga.
Kasi I was about to ask, sir, no, study alone or with study buddies?
Study buddies, definitely. Kasi medyo ano, malungkot pag isa mo lang eh. At least kung may mga kasama ka, may mga pagtatanungan ka. Tapos kung minsan, magkukulitan yun eh sa chat room group namin.
And what was the last thing you reviewed po before the exam?
Cardiology. Surgery, inulit
Cardiology.
ko.